In the last episode, we took our plan to St Mary's and captured everything we needed for our short promotional film, Standing Through Time. I came home with more than 50 aerial shots, ground shots, details and alternative takes, but a collection of clips isn't a film. Today, I'm going to show you how we turn them into one. And it all starts before anything reaches the timeline. The first job isn't particularly creative, but it's important. I copy everything from the memory card into the project folder before reviewing or deleting anything. I use the same folder structure for every film. Visuals divided into drone, phone and controller, audio, graphics, documents and exports. Then I watch every clip from beginning to end, remove the obvious failures and group the remaining shots according to the part they might play in the story. Before building the sequence, I return to the idea we established in pre-production, Standing Through Time. The film should feel peaceful, welcoming, and connected to the life of the village. First, I look for an opening that introduces the location without revealing everything at once, an image that creates curiosity and invites the audience to move closer. Then I look for progression, wider views that establish the setting, medium shots that bring us towards the church, and details that suggest age, texture, and memory. Finally, I need an ending that completes the journey and returns the church to its place within the village, not simply the last attractive shot left in the folder. I begin with 3 anchor shots: the opening, the heart of the film, and the ending. That gives the sequence a destination before I fill in the spaces between them. Now I add only the shots needed to make that journey clear: an approach, a change of scale, a significant detail, and a visual route back out. There are no transitions, no colour grade and no music yet. I'm using the pictures, their order and their natural rhythm to find out whether the story works. If it doesn't work without music, it won't work with music. A soundtrack can strengthen the emotion, but it shouldn't have to rescue the edit. The first assembly is nearly always too long. I watch it from the beginning to the end and look for places where my attention drops, where 2 shots repeat the same idea, or where a movement takes too long to arrive. This is often the difficult part, removing a beautiful shot because it belongs in the folder, but not in this film. Once the visual story is working, I can begin adding the finishing touches. The first and perhaps the most influential is the music. I use Epidemic Sound. I've included a referral link and a description below if you'd like to try for yourself. You'll receive a free trial, and if you later subscribe, I may receive a credit at no additional cost to you. For this film, I'm not looking for something dramatic. I want the music to feel peaceful, reflective and quietly uplifting. Being a church, I'm going to do a search for choral and peaceful. I try several tracks beneath the same sequence. The right music shouldn't fight the picture or tell the audience what to feel. It should gently support what is already there. Then I colour balance and apply a LUT to each shot. I could use an adjustment clip over the whole film, but I prefer to do each one individually. We begin with more than 50 separate clips. By organising them, finding their purpose and being prepared to remove even the beautiful ones, we now have one clear visual story. And that brings the EP Masterclass series to an end. From the first idea and the planning, through the filming to the finished production. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.